Meta just open sourced the design system that powers 13,000 of their products. And here's the twist. They didn't build it for you. They built it for your AI coding agent. Let me show you why that matters. This is Astryx. 8 years of internal development at Meta, now free and MIT licensed around 150 accessible React components, 7 themes, dark mode, page templates, and a full command line interface. It went public days ago and it's already at 5.1 thousand stars on GitHub, 2,245 commits, 43 contributors. Current version 0.1.2. Yes, it's beta. Remember that, we'll come back to it. So what makes it agent ready? The CLI has typed JSON output and a token efficient dense mode. Meta says the API and the docs are shaped by measuring how LLMs actually use the library. And there's an MCP server on top. Let's use it for real. 1 npm install, the core package, a theme, and the CLI. 121 packages, 22 seconds on my machine, 0 vulnerabilities. Then npx Astryx init, watch this. It writes agent rules straight into your project's CLAUDE.md, no div tags. Components do all the layout, design tokens for every value, and discover, don't guess. From here, the CLI is the documentation. Astryx component lists everything. Buttons, cards, tables, a full chat group with tool call rendering, and even a command palette. Ask for one component and you get its exact props, variants, and CSS variables. This is what your agent reads instead of hallucinating an API that doesn't exist. Now the flagship command, Astryx build. You describe what you want, a SaaS analytics dashboard, and it returns a kit. The closest page template, the frame, and the exact domain components to use. One more command scaffolds the entire dashboard into your app. 27 kilobytes of real working code, KPI cards, charts, and data tables. And here it is running a real dashboard, real charts, real tables. I did not write a single line of UI code for this. Dark mode, one prop on the theme provider, mode dark. The entire dashboard flips, and system mode just follows the OS. 7 theme packages shipped today. Neutral, Butter, Chocolate, Gothic, Matcha, Stone, and even a Y2K theme. Each one swaps colors and typography across every component. Now the honest part, because it was not all smooth. The CLI pulls in a Babel 8 release candidate that conflicts with Veed's React plugin. My npm install straight up failed until I added legacy peer-deps. And that dashboard template, it imports recharts and heroicons, which the CLI does not install for you. My app threw 500 errors until I added them by hand. Plus React is for Veed. So the pros, battle tested at meta scale, agent native tooling that genuinely works. The build command is a real workflow shift, proper theming, accessible components by default, and there's a doctor command plus upgrade code mods for the long run. The cons, it's beta version 0.1.2 and the component count differs from page to page. Peer dependency conflicts out of the box. Templates skip their own dependencies. The theme wizard only runs interactively and it's React only. No Vue, no Svelte. My verdict, if you build React apps with AI agents, Claude Code, Cursor, or Codex, this is the most agent-ready design system you can adopt today. Just expect beta sharp edges for a few more releases. Every command I ran is in the description and the pinned comment. If this saved you time, subscribe. I test these tools for real on real hardware. See you in the next one.